Okay, so we're looking at Minitest 28 and we're looking at question 1. So we have P as a particle which is moving along the x-axis, and then we're given the acceleration of P as a function of t. So this is not constant velocity, not constant acceleration, this is variable acceleration. And then we're given some information about the velocity at 2 points in time. So the initial velocity when t is 0 is 3, and at t is capital T, velocity is 7, and we're asked to find that value of capital T. So there's the key bits of information they've given me. So if I'm given acceleration and I want to find velocity, that's going to be integrating. So velocity is the integral of acceleration. So that's quite straightforward to do. So velocity is going to be the integral of 5t plus 9. So velocity is going to be 5t squared over 2 plus 9t. And then because this is not definite integration, I need my plus c. And that's what this information is for. So they shouldn't be giving me irrelevant information. So the reason they've given me that is then I can then substitute in v is 3 and t is 0 to get the value of c. So now I've got my full function for velocity. Okay, so now I can go back to the point in time I'm trying to solve for. So v is 7, 5t squared over 2. Okay, so this is the quadratic then I need to solve to find capital T. And I think if we go back to the question, there doesn't say possible values of t, it just says value of t. So well, we can tell from this quadratic we're going to get one positive and one negative. Obviously the negative one won't be valid. So let's just make that equal to 0. You're absolutely fine just to solve this on your calculator. So if you plug that into the quadratic solve mode on your calculator, you get t is 2/5 or t is -4, and obviously t cannot be -4. I think it said in the question that t has to be greater than or equal to 0, and obviously it does. So there's our solution. So capital T is 2/5 or 0.4 seconds.